Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to securely manage your assets. Today, we're breaking down a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XRP from your Arculus wallet to your Ledger Nano X. This process is simple, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to keep your funds safe. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Arculus wallet and Ledger Nano X set up and updated to the latest versions for 2025. This ensures compatibility and security features are top-notch. Start by opening your Arculus wallet app on your mobile device. Log in with your secure credentials. Use biometric authentication if available for an extra layer of protection. Once you're in, navigate to your asset dashboard and select your XRP balance. You'll see an option like Send or Withdraw. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, grab your Ledger Nano X. Connect it to your computer or mobile device using the USB cable, and open the Ledger Live app. On your Ledger device, go to the XRP app. If it's not installed, use Ledger Live to add it quickly. Back in Arculus, paste the XRP receiving address from your Ledger Nano X. You can find this by going to the Receive section in Ledger Live and selecting XRP. Double-check that the address matches exactly to avoid any mishaps. Next, enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw, but don't forget to account for any network fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to updates in the XRP Ledger protocol. Review the transaction details carefully, including the fee estimate, and hit Confirm. You'll need to approve the transaction on your Arculus app, and possibly on your Ledger device if two-factor authentication is enabled. After confirmation, sit tight. The transaction should process within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Ledger Live and refresh your XRP balance to verify the funds have arrived. And just like that, you've successfully moved your XRP. Wrapping this up, always prioritize security by using hardware wallets like Ledger for long-term storage. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more 2025 crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.